Now that I have introduced you to Al the alligator, I'm going to review with you what each symbol means and how to use them. This first symbol here is less than Al. This symbol in the middle is equal to Al. And this last symbol here is greater than Al. Al is always hungry, so he always eats the larger number. But when the numbers are the same, you use equal to Al. Here's an example of two different numbers. Which of the two is the largest number? "15 is the larger number. 15 is larger than 8. So now in the box you have to draw Al. Since 15 is the larger number, Al opens his mouth to 15 because he always eats the larger number. So this equation now reads 15 is greater than 8. You always read the equation from left to right. Now, looking at this equation, we have two numbers again, 5 and 12. Which of the two numbers is larger? Yes, 12 is the larger number. So, now we have to decide which way Al is going to face. Since 12 is the larger number, Al's mouth points to the 12 because he always prefers to eat the larger number. So now, looking at this equation, we see that we used the less than Al. So when you read this, it reads 5 is less than 12. Looking at this equation, we see that we have two numbers again. But here, the numbers are the same. They are both 18. So, since the numbers are the same, they are equal. So we use equal to Al. Now, just to review the main points of this lesson, we always read the equation from left to right. When the numbers are different, Al always eats the larger number. So, in an equation like this, 8 and 5, 8 is the larger number, and Al points his mouth towards the 8 because he prefers to eat the 8. Looking at the sign in the middle, we know that we have used the greater than Al, and this equation reads from left to right, 8 is greater than 5. When the numbers are equal, we use the equal to Al because it is the same number. And finally, when the first number is smaller than the second number, Al's mouth again points to the larger number, and we see here that we used less than Al, and the equation reads 4 is less than 8. So always remember, Al's mouth always points to the larger number. And when the numbers are the same, we use equal to Al.